The topic which we are going to discuss today is why BTST, how it's done, what are the risk factor, what is the stock selection process, the timing and execution, which is according to me the key, capital requirement, when not to do BTST, pass return, live filter and conclusion. दोस्तों ये presentation में will make it in English this time. अगर ज़रूरत पड़े तो I'll make another presentation which will be on Hindi. Do give me your feedback. So for the day, this is the aspect of BTST I am going to touch. But before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Saurav. I have completed my MBA and from ICFI Business School and almost 18 years experience in various organizations. I was the PCG head for ICICI Direct for Mumbai and Gujarat region. I was the general manager for ABN AMRO Asia Equities. Later the name changed to Royal Bank of Scotland. I was also with Edelweiss. The name of the company was Anagra, which merged with Edelweiss for almost 10 years, and many other organizations. Presently is with Well Street. And I have joined Twitter just long back, but actually get activated during lockdown. It has been a fruitful journey. So I thought, after your feedback, I thought let me make a small presentation. Basically, I am a trend follower by nature. That's a separate topic. I generally do two types of trade. One is trend following trade, where the regular position sometimes updated on Twitter, and the BTST. And I have been doing BTST for quite some time. Actually, I met a group of people in Ahmedabad from there are done, and I structure it in my way so that it suits to my personality. Risk लेने का जो capacity है, that suits me. So I started the BTST. So first the theoretical aspect ki why BTST is done. I'll take 5 minutes on the theoretical aspect, which you may or may not find that interesting. Like everybody is more interested on live scanner, but let me tell you दोस्तों कि ultimately any strategy, forget about the BTSA strategy, any strategy which I believe the technical parameter has only 20% importance. The more is your money management skill, your patience, your discipline, and the perseverance. These are the 5 pillars of success of any strategy. So there is no such strategy which can guarantee you the profit, but you require these 5 emotional intelligence or the emotional aspect of trading to be a successful trader, successful stock market professional. You can find it with any good trader. Anyhow, coming back to the main topic, what is BTST? BTST means, as we all know, buy today and sell tomorrow. So generally we buy in last half an hour and sell the same stocks in first half an hour of next trading day. No intraday exposure. Why? 2:30 to 3:30. If you analyze the day starts at 9:15 और वो खत्म होते हैं around 3:30. So there are various phases जो intraday traders है, though they are entering from 9:15 to let's say up to 2:30, 2:45, and they square up the trade by 3:10, 3:15 or 3:30. BTST players are they are entering the market at 9 at 2:45 after 2:45. So why 2:45? Not before that. Generally, whenever intraday seller sell the stocks BTST buy those stocks, there is a price differentiation, or they have to sell the position before 3:30. So BTST comes into the play, BTST trader comes into the, they buy this thing and sell everything in next day morning when market is good, and same intraday trader comes back to the market and buy it. So BTST trader takes a overnight risk. That is the important aspect. That's the first theoretical aspect. There are two types of BTST. One is FNO stocks BTST, where you buy 3 or 4 contracts in futures and futures segment, and you hedge it with selling Nifty or Bank Nifty or any other stocks could be. And there is the second type of stocks or second type of BTST, which is cash BTST. Cash BTST means in cash stock you buy and sell. Today our discussion mainly will be on the cash BTST side. What are the logic? As I said, intraday trader sells the stocks and we buy the stocks. That is the theoretical aspects. So, if you analyze the day, we come into play in the last half an hour and we exit this thing in next day, next trading days, first half an hour. That is a theoretical aspects. Second important aspect I have seen, this is if you do it with hedge, you can earn around 2 to 3% monthly return or 2 to 5% monthly return based on the market volatility and market direction. BTST, how it is chosen and all these things, I'll come to this aspect. I am not spending more time on the theoretical aspects so that we can take a live example how actually I have been doing. Okay. Why BTST? And second thing, before I go into why BTST and how, many people ask me why not STBT. STBT means sell today and buy tomorrow when market direction is on the lower side or market is going down. Generally, I have observed that it is very difficult to make money on an overnight basis the selling strategy, but it may be possible if somebody try to venture it, may do it, but actually I have not done it. So I am not doing STBT, I am doing BTST, buy today, sell tomorrow. Simple. First of all, it is a market neutral strategy. Means whenever market going up, we are here, and when there is a downfall, we keep aside. That is the first aspect. Second aspect is we generally hedge. I think last 24th of June when market was down by 100 points, since our Bank Nifty was sell for that day, our net return was positive. So market goes down, but because of the stock selection, even on market goes down by 100 points, we are able to make some money on the buying position and some made good money on the selling position, vice versa. So it's a market neutral strategy. We do not take any very short view. The market will go up, we will stand with that, unlike the trend following or unlike the technical analysis are doing. Second thing, BTST basket. I am talking about FOBTST. Basket is divided into 4 to 5 stocks, where I generally do not prefer to have a more than one or maximum 2 stocks on the same sector. Generally try to avoid it. Second thing, we try to do hedge between 30 to 60% or 40 to 60% based on the market volatility. I will come back to that. Let me go through the theoretical aspect first. Entire execution is systematic. Generally, the stock which is flavor of the market has peaked. This is the main point. Flavor of the market are peaked and taking price advantage is attempted when intraday seller sell his stocks and buy in next day. This is the key. We try to take the flavor of the market. Okay. Let me run past through this. Risk, it is not an arbitrage product, it is not a capital guarantee, there is a huge amount of risk is involved. If you are doing cash BTST, there could be a delivery shortage. Overall turmoil in the market, especially in the Dow Jones and Dow Jones futures, and especially these days where the geopolitical tension is there. So there is a overnight huge amount of risk is there. So this is the main aspect before you do it. And last is that BTST is not a strategy that you can do on daily basis. If I tell you out of 12 months, maybe 3 to 4 months we are not active in this market. So in those days, so let's say if you are putting 10 to 12 lakhs, 15 lakhs or whatever money you have, so it may be possible some point of time your money is lying idle. So those days you can buy the Nifty Bs, so you can earn certain amount of at least bank FD interest kind of a amount you can earn. So the basic difference why generally BTST is term basically patented by ICICI Direct, okay, and now it is a common market language or lingo is that BTST karna hai or BTST stock. They buy few stocks here in the morning, but that is not doing in a structured way. They are maybe buying at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, the next day they may be selling at 10 o'clock or maybe 12 o'clock. It is not like that. Here BTST is totally structured. First of all, it's a strategy. Means we are buying few stocks between 3 to 3:30, sell it before 9:30 with hedge, with not even a single stock exposure, 3 to 4 stocks, minimum 3 stocks with hedging, and also the flavor of the stocks. We will come to the stock selection, which is very interesting point, which I got many questions on that. Stock selection process, liquid stocks. We are not going to do, let's say yesterday I was getting MRF as a BTSD stock in my scanner, but I avoided because next day selling MRF stocks, 100 200 rupees difference is nothing. So liquid stocks, preferably no corporate action like result, bonus, everything. Like yesterday, argument say ki ITC result was there, I think after market was. So we did not do. I don't know it was coming on scanner or not, but just telling you, if result is there, to 100% no. If any corporate action is coming, then also it's no. But many times you can find out before the stock selection, you can find out in the money control or DSC side or NSE side what the results are there today or today evening or maybe tomorrow. You can avoid those stocks. This is very important point. Average exposure should not be more than 10%. Actually, this is for the cash BTST, not for FO BTST. The stock on trade to trade, all these things you should not touch, and liquid B's aspects. See, these are the few points actually where the stock selection is done based on the volatility, based on quality of stocks, momentum of the stock, good size, volume, value, growth, and liquidity. These are the main aspects of the stock selection. It's not like that कि क्या scanner है, let me get the scanner, just download the scanner 1 2 3 buy it to 10. No, it is not like that. It has to be done with a perspective that you will be able to sell it tomorrow. You will be able to, if market goes 500 points down also, your capital should be protected. All these aspects are important. As I said, stock selection is 20%, 80% is other parameters. Now, coming down to, I think this is the trade on 25th to 24th to 25th June, which I shared in Twitter and all. You can go and check. I have just copied this Excel file to PPT so that it is visual. Like Jubilant Food, we bought 500 shares. The lot is 500 at 1753. This is the costing. Means moment you buy, all this share and sell bank nifty, immediately you incur a costing of 1800 rupees. I have taken a 2 basis point as a costing. Generally, you can do it with this costing. It is actually less, the costing is much less, but still I have taken on the higher side. Jubilant Food, you see, Jubilant Food, Berger and Reliance, we bought that day. I am not going to tell you right now why these three stocks were bought, because that is a past data. I don't have that data why that day these three stocks were bought. But for yesterday, I will be showing why the three stocks were bought, on what parameters it was selected. And I sold the bank nifty. So that day market was down slightly, I think, and it opened further down next day morning. So this plus this plus this minus this, I have taken exposure of around 12 lakhs 78,000 at my home. Means I was long by 12 lakhs. Next day, what happens? I sold at this rate 1758, 540, all this rate. This is the net profit after deducting all the cost, and I earned 18,501 rupees after all the cost. Now, profit and loss, don't go by that. It could be loss also. Doesn't matter. I always believe the process is important. Focus on process and rest is noise. You will find this statement repeatedly in my Twitter post. Now, coming down to the execution, which I would say almost 35 to 40% importance is on execution. It may look very simple. अरे उसने buy किया and he has sold at this rate. What is the important? No. The important, as I told you, what happens if you are buying a Reliance, let's say that day we bought at 1729, let's say 1730 we bought. We bought at what time? 317. 317 we bought. Why 317? No, 3 o'clock or 3:10 or maybe quarter to 3. Why only after 3:30 only we buy? 3:10 only we buy. Because let's say Reliance I bought at 1730 and price comes down in next 10 minutes is 1720. So average will be less than my cost. Let's say the average closing is 1720. This is a technical matter but very important. Let's say average closing is 1725. So I am already at 5 rupees loss. Because next day opening will be done from 1725. If it is 1% higher, so 17 rupees plus 1725, it will be at 1740, argument say. So that is the reason I try to do it slightly on the lower, later part of the day. That is the reason many people ask me why you give your stock ID only or T20, because it is like that only, because I am not posting anything, because actual trade is happening. Okay. See, 15, 17 I bought, Jubilant also 15, 17 bought, Berger Pen also bought, and I sold Bank Nifty at 329. It can be 325 also, or it can be 320 also. So I think market was slightly going up, so I just waited. So there is no importance of much, but this is the hedging. This is the sell down. See, buy sell, the buy sell sell. Looks very simple. Now comes back to the main part. Next day, market opened 100 point lower. This is just matter of 5 to 7 minutes or maximum 10 minutes game that we are playing. It is not like the 3:30 I will wait for my rate to come, or I will wait further go up or go down, vice versa. Nothing. It is first you cut the position, then you make your BTST sheet, how much profit you have made. So 9:15 only these two position was cut. Bank Nifty. It was short. Sell. Here it is. Buy. Berger Pen. We made a loss. I think 942. Sold at 940. Then this is Reliance. We bought at 30. Sold at 38. Okay. And Jubilant Food 53. I have sold at 57. Means on buy side I didn't get much, but on the sell side I made the profit for that particular day. So this is the sheet. Now, I hope you have understood the theoretical aspect, why BTC is done, how it is done, timing, trade execution, hedging. These are the part I covered. Now comes back to the second aspect, which is, you can say, the scanner part. This is a A4 stock scanner where the information, actually this is live. Whenever it market open, this rate changes automatically. This I have prepared in house. Okay, I don't use much of a other scanners. This is the I have prepared, where there are two to three aspects I consider. First of all, I try to choose one or two stocks which is a flavor of the month of the day. See, if you remember yesterday, when Fridays, flavor was IT companies like TCS, Wipro, Infosys, and if you will find both Infosys and I think TCS should be also there. TCS why not coming? I don't know. Infosys, then NIT Tech, TCS, it is there. It was coming in my radar. Okay, I could have taken TCS also, I could have taken Infosys also. There is not much of a difference. What is important is the sectoral which stocks you are taking, market flavor. That particular day, the flavor was IT company. So I have chosen Infosys. It was higher than the previous day's high. Okay. If you see here, I don't know this is visible or not because this is on the Excel, but still I'll try once. See, previous day high, I just make it big one so that you will be able to see. Previous day high was 706 rupees. Today's price was 740. It was previous days. I mean, there is a clear cut winner. So I have taken Infosys. Second also, and these are the biggest parameter I choose. Volume is okay. Volume was 216% higher than the previous day. These are the important factors. This is position built up. This has been a position built up in Infosys, quite good. The position built up. Final rocket means it has closed above the pivot level 1 and pivot level 2. So that is the reason we have chosen. I also track open interest here. And open interest was increased by 1.25% between 3 to 330. This is the data actually. This is the Excel that I have prepared. Sometimes they may not be correct also. Let me tell you disclosure. Sometimes it may not be correct also. I have seen end of the day data is slightly different than the actual live data, but more or less you have to trust this data to work with. So in why Infosys was chosen? First of all, it was higher than the previous day high. Second important that the volume was higher by 137%. There has been an open interest built up. See here why built up. I will make it here. I have also copied here, so you will be able to see. I think that will be more visually. In fee, this is the price. It was chosen because it was higher than the previous day high. Open interest built up over there. Volume was there, and it was the flavor of the day. Second, we have chosen ACC. These are the stocks we have taken: Reliance, ACC, and Infosys, and we have taken a Nifty. ACC also similar criteria made. Okay, as I told you, see MRF was also coming, but I have not taken MRF only because the liquidity criteria doesn't fit me. One can do it, no problem. But since liquidity criteria doesn't fit me, so I have not taken the MRF. And I have taken Reliance. So three are from three different sector. These three are the market leader. Liquids, fairly liquid. Infosys I told you, ACC I told you, volume, other criteria, pivot level closing, everything was matching. So this this is how the stock is chosen. Now you can ask me, okay, दादा आपने तो बना दिया है, तो what about us? How do you choose the stocks? For that, I'll come down to another aspect where chart link you can prepare some sort of scanner, which I'll share it. Now let me close this part by saying ki how was the month. This is the month for June. We are plus by 2,50,000 on a capital of around 10 to 15 lakhs rather. And I have been doing, as I told you, I have been doing this BTSC for almost 3 years. 2017 October I have started. That particular year, for half yearly basis, I earned around 27%. 2018-19 was very rewarding, around 54% return. Last year was not so, around 12 to 14% return was there. And this particular year, this is the first month actually. June was the first month where we are plus by 25%. As I told you, BTST as a strategy, sometimes it happens, there is no trade or there is no BTST. If you see this last year, February, March, there is no absolute BTST. Or this particular year, April, May, there is no BTST. So you will be lying, you will be lying ideal. So I have completed a small presentation. Now, few questions which were asked through Twitter is that what is the maximum loss by Anil Chaudhary? The maximum loss I had 1,10,000 in the year of 2000 financial year of 2018-19 on I think 8th of October. I think that particular day RBI governor was resigned. This is the day. That particular month I was negative by 75,000, and for that one particular day loss was 1,11,000. So that particular day in last year, this is the maximum loss done. So this you should remember before you start. You should look at the risk aspects, and if it suits you, then only you come. So this is the maximum loss also I have taken. Okay. Now second question is that stock selection asked by Akash I have given, but still I will take another 5 minutes on the cash BTST side where I will be sharing the live scanner in charting. Entry exit time, I think I have answered that. This is very important aspect. Hedging by Prasad. Important question. See, I would like to spend 1 or 2 minutes here. Hedging is very important aspect as far as because my hard-earned money or my capital is employed. So I always will take hedging. Whether if it is giving me return or not, I don't care. Okay. Because it many times this happens, market open by 600 points. Your entire capital or entire earning is gone. So always take hedging. Now, how hedging should be done, what percentage it is done, that is important aspect. Let's say what I do is basically is that I take exposure of around, let's say 10 lakhs, and I try to take or whatever exposure. Let's say if you are taking an exposure of around 100%, let's say 25 lakhs. So sometimes whenever the global market is good, new levels has been broken. New levels means whenever market broken, then let's say now new level will be around 10,500. So if market goes past 10,500, So you can say that in that point of time, on when let's say Dow future is showing good positive opening, then you can take less hedging. That's okay. Let's say you have taken exposure of 40 lakhs, you can take hedging of 10 lakhs. Okay. So your net exposure is 30 lakhs. But whenever after 3-4 days where you have earned good return, Dow future is slightly negative, there has been uncertainty, or there has been an event per se, perceived event, some Fed meeting, or so you can take the higher exposure or higher hedging rather. So this hedging percentage, the hedging cannot be done 100%. Means 25 lakhs bought and 25 lakhs sold. It is not possible. Then you cannot earn money. Or it is not a zero. Like without hedging you are doing. It has to be a mix of 25 to 60%. That kind of. Okay. So this is how the hedging can be done. Very important aspect. I always hedge. Without hedging, so I won't be doing that. Now, last important question is small capital. What can you do? You can do the cash BTST. Now, cash BTST is what? You buy the cash stocks. I have prepared this, although I don't share it in other Twitter and all. But I have prepared this. This is the cash BTST on 17th of June. I just try to make it big actually. I don't know it is visible or not, but I think it should be visible. Like Apollo Hospital, this is 27 plus 130 new bought. Next day opening 9:38. This thing price we have sold at 116 like that. 133 same price it was sold. It was in loss. Linde India. So 25,000 if you invested in 10 stocks. 12 stocks. The capital employed is around 3 lakh rupees. On 3 lakh rupees, you can earn around 2800 rupees. And after cost, let's say costing is 1000 rupees, you can earn around 1800 rupees. I'm not going into costing aspect. Sometimes it is less, sometimes it is somewhere it is more. So it is up to you. But to earn the money, the costing is lesser, it is better. Even in various on discount platform, uh, or various this thing the various online channel also the costing is slightly on the lesser side. So you can earn in return of around 0.6% on daily basis. So if you let's say 20 trading days is there, so 18 multiplied by 20 trading day, you can earn around 36,000 rupees on a capital of 3 lakh, which is very and very attractive. Even if you earn 25,000 also, to me it's good. Now, this is how is cash BTST is done. 10 stocks. So you have two aspects only I will cover. First of all, you have to allocate the similar amount to all the stocks. Let's say this is 3 lakhs I have taken. Let's say you are doing 2 lakhs. So 20,000 rupees in 10 stocks you have to do. It is not like that one stock, okay, I am feeling India Cement looks good to me, I will take 50,000 in one stock. No, it has to be a similar exposure. Because cash you can manage the exposure, similar exposure, but FA you cannot because there is a lot size. Now, how do you find the stocks? I have prepared a scanner, which I will share to you all soon. If you require, I can share my scanner also. Here also you will find Infosys and all. I also use this scanner. Very easy and easy to find the stocks. Okay. So by 310, you can go there and find out which are the stocks. I don't know, it's not coming right now. Which are the stocks it is coming? Looks like there has been some data problem with this particular site. You can take the paid version also. and if it is not a paid version, so you can the stock price is delayed by I think 15-20 minutes, so you have to keep it in your mind, so it may not show the right result. Okay, so this is the stock scanner which I have been using for the cash BTST, although I don't do at this point of time cash BTST, it is not coming, but I'll share this scanner to you all. And you can, this scanner, the which I was showing, this was taken from chartings only. It is unfortunate that it is not working right now, but I will share it as a separate link. So cash BTST, it is easy to be done. I think I have completed more or less the all the part. Only unfortunate part is that I am not able to show you the cash BTST scanner. The capital requirement for FO BTST is 10 to 12 lakhs. In case of cash BTST, I think minimum you can start with 1 lakh or 2 lakhs. If market goes to downtrend, we may skip BTST or BTST like in March 2022, May 2020. We are in sideline. We are not doing because market direction was not clear. We are not able to identify the stocks. Always hedge, even if it is painful sometimes. Key to profitability is execution, hedging, discipline is patience in the drawdown. We always, even personally, I have also faced many drawdowns, like 10% of the capital or 20% of the capital. So no strategy can guarantee you profit in all the market conditions. Just remember it. Focus on process, rest is noise. Just profit or loss, it is a state of mind, or profit or loss, you can say that it is just a matter of time. But if your process is right, then you will be able to make money on the longer time basis. With this, I have come to a conclusion of this, or end of this presentation. Just to summarize in a 2 minutes, BTST is buy today, sell tomorrow, done between 3 to 3:30 buying, and next is selling before 9:30 or maximum by 9:45. BTST for FO is done with a hedging by selling Nifty and Bank Nifty. BTST, the more important aspect is your execution strategy, your discipline, your money management principle, and your belief in the system, BTST system. In case you are making a loss or in case of drawdown, it too comes. And stock scanner is concerned, the stock scanner is consists of 2 to 3 things. First of all, it consists of the pivot level which I showed you, shown in this Excel scanner. Next important aspect, stock scanner do takes care of the open interest build up between 3 to 315, or between 245 to 315. Open interest scanner in the live market you will be able to see. Third important aspect is that in case of scanner is if the stock is favor of the day or not. That is very crucial aspect. These are the three parameters. Finally, last two parameters is the composition of your BTC. Like it should not be in the same sector. It should not be the stocks which is having a corporate announcement or corporate result. That is also part of scanner. And last is hedging. What percentage of hedging